Hi friends, welcome to Foodie Bites channel. Today we are making cabbage pakoda. Take shredded cabbage to a bowl. To that add one big onion, green chilies, coriander leaves, peanuts, salt to taste, chili powder as per spice, coriander powder, and ginger garlic paste. Mix it well nicely for 10 minutes. Moisture comes out, so no need of water adding. Now add besan flour of 1 cup, corn flour half cup. Mix it well. It should be like this. In a kadai, heat oil to deep fry and slowly leave it. Fry them till it gets golden brown color. Transfer it to a paper towel and serve it. Crunchy cabbage pakoda is ready. Enjoy cabbage pakoda with tea. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Foodie Bites channel.